Today we're going to visualize and understand logistic regression, the algorithm that answers yes or no questions instead of predicting a number. Here is the first problem. If you have binary data, benign or malignant, spam or not spam, and you try to fit a straight line through it, the line will happily predict values like 1.34 or negative 0.2. Those are not probabilities. Probabilities must stay between 0 and 1. Linear regression simply cannot do this job. The fix is the sigmoid function. It takes any number, large, small, negative, positive, and squashes it into the range 0 to 1. This is the key insight that makes classification work. The formula is sigma of z equals 1 over 1 plus e to the minus z. At z equals 0, the output is exactly 0.5. Push z large and positive and the output approaches 1. Push it large and negative and it approaches 0. Whatever you give it, you get a valid probability back. That probability then produces a decision boundary. In a two-dimensional problem, the boundary is the line where the predicted probability is exactly 0.5. Points on one side are classified as class 0, points on the other side as class 1. The boundary is not fixed, it is learned from data. And you can move the threshold. Lower it below 0.5 to catch more positives. Raise it to reduce false alarms. That is your lever. Training uses log loss as the cost function. When the actual label is 1 and the model predicts a very low probability, the penalty is enormous. When the model predicts a high probability for the correct class, the cost is tiny. This asymmetry is the point. Confident wrong predictions are punished far harder than uncertain ones. Gradient descent then minimizes this loss by adjusting the weight step by step, nudging the decision boundary a little further in the right direction each time until it separates the classes as cleanly as the data allows. Now here is where it gets entertaining. If your model is overconfident, essentially a vertical wall of a sigmoid, it will predict 99.8% yes with almost zero evidence, then panic completely the moment it encounters a slightly unusual input. This is overfitting. A well-calibrated model gives probabilities that reflect actual uncertainty. The two sigmoids look very different. Trust the gentle one. When you have more than two classes, 1v's trains one binary classifier per class. Each one asks, is this a cat or is it not? Is this a dog or is it not? At prediction time, the class with the highest probability wins. Softmax regression is the cleaner alternative. It outputs probabilities that all sum to exactly 1. To evaluate the model, accuracy alone is not enough, especially when classes are imbalanced. The confusion matrix breaks the results into 4 buckets: true positives, true negatives, and false negatives. From those 4 numbers, you can compute precision. Of all the positives the model predicted, how many were correct? And recall. Of all the actual positives, how many did the model catch? The F1 score combines both into a single number. Use all 3. In Sklern, logistic regression fit trains the model. Predict_proba gives you the probabilities. Change the threshold with a simple comparison on those probabilities. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, comment, and subscribe.